Want to bridge the gap between your Clearpay balance and your Wise account? Let's break down whether you can directly transfer funds and explore your best alternative options. First, let's address the big question: can you directly transfer money from Clearpay to Wise? The short answer is no. Clearpay is designed for making purchases through partnered retailers, not for sending money to other platforms like Wise. If you navigate through the Clearpay app, you'll notice there is no direct send money or transfer option. So, how do you get those funds moving? Here's the workaround. Your Clearpay account is linked to a debit or credit card, which is connected to your bank account. You can transfer funds from your bank account to Wise. This involves first ensuring you have sufficient funds in the bank account linked to your card or account tied to Clearpay. Then initiate a transfer to Wise from that bank account. Simply log into your Wise account, set up your desired transfer, and choose your bank account as the funding source. Wise will then pull the funds from your bank. Keep in mind this method relies on your bank account acting as the intermediary. When you make Clearpay purchases, repayments will be taken from the connected accounts, so always manage your balance. So while a direct Clearpay to Wise transfer isn't possible, using your linked bank account is a simple workaround. Now you can make those international transfers with Wise. If you found this helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more financial tips.